Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So we start off today's video with this amazing long to short transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut for this one. Very nice. I love the amount of fullness that this has. The color looks amazing within the cut. Beautifully done. Definitely more of a traditional cascading bob style. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out a variety of hair transformations, hairstyles, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. Here we have another very trendy hairstyle. And this is perfect for if you have curly hair, you are looking to get more of like a shaggy curly cut. Absolutely love this style. So pretty. So next up we move into a pixie haircut. I love the bold red hair color that this has. Wow, look at that. Oh, I love the design on the side as well. Definitely a modern edgy hairstyle. Very pretty. So then we move on to the next transformation. So it looks like she has like a bob haircut here. Wow, look at the way the stylist shaped up this bob. She looks absolutely incredible. Looks like he did some color as well. Beautiful angled shape. This is absolutely gorgeous. So next up we have someone who wants to try out the ash blonde hair color trend. I feel like I've been featuring this a lot in videos lately. It's a very popular hair color. Oh, so here is the final results. Absolutely stunning. I would have loved to have seen the hair a little bit more curled, but maybe she likes to wear it straight, like super straight. So then we see beautiful pixie undercut. This one features a really dramatic asymmetrical shape. And then we have a shaping of a pixie shaggy style. So this is another very popular hair trend for 2023. It features the shaggy style bangs in the front and then more like a traditional pixie style in the back. And then we move into a hair transformation. So she has like a bob here. Looks like she wants to touch up on the color. Okay, so for some reason the stylist is reminding me of Johnny Depp in Pirates of the Caribbean. Like every time I see him, I just keep thinking of that movie. Oh, wow. Beautiful angled bob style. I love the feathered bangs. There's definitely a lot of drama within this particular haircut. Beautifully done. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.